You are not a mean person or boss when you set boundaries and clear expectations with your employees. It might be easy to think that you're being mean, but the truth of the matter is you're being a caring leader. You can't be everyone's friend, but what you can be is a caring leader. And a caring leader is one who's willing to take risks, be uncomfortable, face conflict for the whole team's benefit. Not just your mental health, which is really important, but the whole team's benefit and the long-term success of your company or the clinic, wherever it is that you work. So here's what I want you to remember. You are brave and you are strong. And when you're facing conflict and you have to make a big decision that has to do with your employees, you have so many past experiences that have proven that you are able to deal with conflict and you are more capable than you might be telling yourself. So decide for yourself today, am I someone who wants to continue to keep the peace, feel frustrated and maybe stressed and disappointed with my work culture? Or am I someone who's willing to step up as a leader, face conflict, and know that my self-worth doesn't change just because someone might be unhappy with me or they might criticize my decision? It's your choice. If you want more tools and strategies to help you increase your free time, feel calm and grounded no matter what kind of storms are happening in your work or personal life, head over to amyengelmark.com. I'll see you there.